To remaster a song on Suno AI is fairly simple. Now, all you need to do is simply open up Suno, then navigate to Library. From here, find that specific track that you wish to remaster. And then what you're going to do is simply select the three dots next to it. Next, you're going to go ahead and choose the option Edit. And then under Edit, you should see Remaster. Bear in mind, this is a pro item, so you do need a subscription at the very least to be able to use it. So you're going to go ahead and select it like so. Then you're going to choose the model that you want to remaster it in. So you have 4.5 plus up to 5.5. You can choose the variation lengths, whether you want it subtle, normal, or high. And then once you've selected all of that and you're happy with how the remaster is going to sound like, just go ahead and select it like so. Then simply wait for the audio to be successfully remastered. So you can see it's currently generating. So let's just go ahead and wait for it. And once it's done, you should be able to select the clip and be able to listen to it. If you don't like how it sounds like, you can customize the remastered settings until you find something that suits you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next.